Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: during welding of a boiler tube joint, excessive porosity observed in the root pass. The base metal is SA210 grade A1 and the electrode used is E7018. The most likely cause is. So basically, they have used this electrode E7018 and they are observing excessive porosity in the root run or root pass. So what could be the main or leading cause of this? Our options are: incorrect electrode type. Option 2 is low heat input causing lack of fusion. Option 3 is moisture in electrode or improper baking. And option 4 is excessive interpass temperature. Friends, option 3 is the most appropriate and correct answer. See, moisture is one of the basic reason for porosity, and along with that, E7018 is a low hydrogen electrode and it requires baking. Means it should be baked at a temperature of 3 to 350 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, and then uh, it has to be held at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius till that electrode is consumed. So if it has not been properly baked, then chances of porosity will be there. Why? Because the flux are hygroscopic, means it absorbs moisture from the environment. Hence, porosity can come due to this improper baking as well as if there is any moisture present in the electrode. Correct answer is 3, moisture in electrode or improper baking. I have written the explanation here. If you want, you can pause the video and read the explanation. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Joining is very simple and very easy. You can do it. So friends, please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.